The following question states that the circuit diagram shows two lamps X and Y each connected to a cell. The current in the lamp X is 0.5 amperes and its resistance is 9.6 ohms, and the current in lamp Y is 3 amperes and its resistance is 1.2 ohms. So these values are provided for both circuits, and the question now is, what is the ratio of power in lamp X with respect to power in lamp Y? Now the very first thing you need to know is the formula of power, which is I square R. So current is given, resistance is also given, so we can use I square R. So I'm going to try and solve this now, because we need to find the ratio, and we're going to first calculate the power in lamp X, which is going to be I square R, or 0.5 square. So it's going to be 0.5 square multiplied by R, which is 9.6 ohms. And let's do the same for the other circuit, which is for lamp Y. The power is going to be 3 square into 1.2 ohms. So it's going to be 3 squares into 1.2 ohms. So it's I square R as well. And we're going to try and calculate this value on a calculator. And this value comes out to be 0.2 and another 2. And it's a trailing 2, but if you look over here, everything is it's accurate up to 2 significant figures. This value is also 2 significant figures. This value is also 2 significant figures. So everything. So we're going to round off our answers to 2 significant figures, which is going to give us option A as being the correct answer.